So I've got a new camera to play with on the allotment here, and this is from Zosi. So thank you very much from the guys from Zosi. We have the Zosi C291 wireless outdoor camera, and we're going to have a look at this together. So in this box we do get one camera, one wireless free battery camera, so you don't have to have this hardwired into the power in the home. With solar panel mounting screws and a user manual. Taken out of the box, and this is what the camera looks like. And you can also download the app on App Store, or you can get it on Google Play as well. So in this box, like I say, we should have the camera itself, we should have a solar panel, so we don't have to plug anything in. Instruction manual, solar panel use guide, so two different ones. It's very important when you're installing CCTV anywhere that you need to have it labelled, so that's a very handy sticker there. A mounting guide, not mounting as in you're mounting up a cliff, but a mounting is in you're mounting the camera to the area you're going to place it. So that is going to come in handy for the screws as well. Very well packaged. Solar panel on the top with a USB-C end. And inside here we've got the mounting brackets, very straightforward. And also the camera itself. Looks really handy, look easy to install. Power on the side, so we can pop the power on the side there. Camera on here. There's lots of features in this camera, but I'm going to go through them all with you once I'm getting it all set up. So let's head over to my Grandad Dave's, where we're going to be popping this beauty into his garden. Right, I've got the camera here, and I'm going to pop it just on here as a temporary measure. I've put it, install it permanently, just to show you how easy it is to set up. It's as simple as 4 screws. Now if you're going to be doing this into brick wall, you can drill out and put the plugs in, because it comes with plugs and also comes with screws as well. I don't need to in this instance, so what I'm going to do is, I've already got the template on here. You can drill the holes through there for your plugs, and then you can screw them in. I don't need to, so I'm just going to screw it straight in here with the screws that's provided. It's just a case, putting it on, straighten it up. One, four. There we go, all set up, all positioned. Right, next I've got to set the solar panel up. With the solar panel, comes in several different pieces, exactly the same principle. You get your screws, you get your plugs. Again, I'll just be using the screws, but with this it's very handy because you just need to put this plate on first, and then once that plate's on, you place that over the top of there, that goes over the top of there, and you screw that into place. And then once that's done, you get the main solar panel itself, and it's at the back. You just screw that into there, spin it round, and then plug this into the camera itself.
Devices waiting to connect.
All done, plugged in, ready to connect. Time to get the app sorted. So to set it up, very simple. Just get the instructions, follow the step-by-step instructions here, which I'm going to do right now. So to set up the camera, you just scan the QR code inside the little handy booklet here, using your camera on your phone. This then takes you to your app store, to which you then click get, put in your passwords or whatever you need to do, download the app, Zosi Smart. If you open the app up, ask you for notifications and things, just decide what you want to do with them. You need to then register with Zosi, which I did off camera here. Once you've done that, you can then select new in the top right hand corner. You can either scan the QR code on the device, or you can select manually, and I've got select manual here, looking for the C291 camera. As you can see, there's lots to offer. I'll then select mine, read the instructions, long press on the power button, activates, set up the Wi-Fi, which I've already done off camera here, and then select on my phone the device itself through the Wi-Fi instructions. The password is located in the instructions as well. It then connects over the Wi-Fi, connecting the camera to your Wi-Fi. As you can see there, the instructions are very clear and it's very easy to set up. This basically, the whole process took me less than about 5 minutes. That's including registration. It offers you 330 days of cloud storage. You can rename the camera where you want to put it. So for this example, I have put it in my granddad's allotment. And it's the third camera that I've got. Click on done. And we are complete. We can go through the different settings on the camera. First things first, we'll enter live mode. You can use it to go up and down, the 360-degree view. The 2.5K camera is fantastic. As you can see, I'm standing here. It's now motion tracked onto myself. Give you a little wave there. Hello. Good, great clarity on the picture throughout the day. If I was to move, it would move with me. There's different options on here as well. You can set the alarms. You can do the microphone, so you can shout onto wherever you're going there. Once you've allowed access, of course. You can shout hello or anything you want on the plot. I was saying hello there. And you've also got like some night vision and full colour night vision on here as well. And the last thing to do, sticker, so people know that there is security in the camera on site. Simple as that. So the Zosi C291 camera is battery operated and runs off the solar panel, which is fantastic for the likes of my allotment. It also has a 4 megapixel 2.5K clarity camera, which is great. Also works in the night as well, so it's full color night vision, which is fantastic. If you want to definitely see who's on instead of just being night vision, you can see it in color as well. Also a handy little feature is it's got its smart tracking as well, so it actually follows the person or the object that you want to follow in the picture. So it doesn't mean just stays like that and somebody walks out of camera shot. It actually follows it. It's 360-degree pan and tilt, so it'll go up, down, left and right, so it'll follow them as far as as you can see, which is another great little handy feature. You can also speak through the camera, so if you see anybody outside, so for example on my allotment, if I see anybody, I can speak through, police are coming, and it comes through absolutely straight away, clear as day. It also has an alarm feature as well, so not only does it have the smart tracking, but it also sets an alarm off if you wish to set it on the app itself, and the app is very easy to use as well. If you're interested in getting a Zosi C291 camera, I've popped a little link in the descriptions on this video, so feel free to go and have a look on that on Amazon, and if it suits your needs, grab yourself a cracking little camera.